everyone, I'm Chuck New with Walstrom Marine and welcome to another edition of Walstrom Walkthroughs. Today we're looking at the Qwest 820 LS Splash Bar by Apex Marine. This is a 20-foot pontoon. This will have a 70 horsepower Yamaha engine, and as you can see, it's a beautifully laid out boat with some nice features. Come on aboard and we'll show you some of those right now. Here at the front of the boat, we do have a walk-through gate so you can access the front of the boat with a nice swim platform. This is an optional table that swivels towards all your guests, and we have two nice big bench seats in the front. These cup holders are removable and can be placed anywhere throughout the boat. And you'll see underneath these bench cushions, we'll have some nice storage units on both sides here. At the midship of the boat, we do have an additional boarding entry here. Great for convenience from the dock or the hoist. Makes it nice and safe for your guests to board. Storage as you move towards the back of the boat, and then a nice L-shaped seat here. We do have another couple of infinity speakers below, and more storage underneath your seat cushions here. Also have some cup holders throughout the boat, and just a nice space for all of your guests to hang out. Here at the helm, we have some really nice features, starting with this beautiful, comfy captain's chair. Fits nicely with all of your electronics. To the right, we have a Helix 5 Hummingbird chart plotter and fish finder. Below, we have all of your switches for all of your accessories and lighting. To the left, we have your infinity stereo head here, which powers the speakers throughout the boat. Down below, we have a dual USB charger, as well as a USB and auxiliary audio input. Above, we have a nice mounting bracket for your cell phone. And then in the center, we have your RPM and voltometer. As we move towards the back of the boat, you're going to see one of the coolest features on this boat. This really cool pull-up bar. This has got a great tabletop with plenty of cup holders. Underneath this tabletop, we have a nice big storage unit on a gas ram. Perfect for soft coolers and extra gear. Included on the walkthrough, you also have a high pressure freshwater washdown system. Powering this boat is going to be a 70 horsepower Yamaha outboard engine, and equipped with this outboard, you're going to have a ski tow bar that sits right over top the motor. And I wanted to mention these seats do swivel in and out and are easily removable if you'd like the extra space for swimming or doing water sports. This console also comes with a couple of integrated infinity speakers rear facing as well. Thanks for spending some time with us today on the Qwest 820 Splash Bar. As I mentioned, this boat has great social zones, very comfortable, great performance, just a great way to spend time on the water at a great price. Thanks for spending some time. My name is Chuck New at Walstrom Marine. You can visit us at walstrom.com, where we're open 24 hours a day, or call 231-526-2141. Thanks very much. Have a good day.